You are literally in the middle of a forest here. Just got the minibus from Port Barton all the way to Port Barton. That is a crazy ride. 3 hours in total, but it's like a roller coaster. If you got a driver like me, it's like Lewis Hamilton on steroids. So good luck. Tell me if you got here in one piece, because at times I thought I wasn't going to get here. Apparently on arrival we've got to register. Don't know what that's about. Here I am back in the tricycle life. We're rocking Port Barton. Here we go. Hey man! Hey man! Let's go! I love a good road. Look at this, this is the original beach life. Can't be much closer. Well, I've gone for a little upgrade at that Ausan Beach Front this week, and this I'm excited about. I know the decor's not great, but it's like a tree house overlooking the ocean. Here we go. Alright, I've even got like a little TV room. Look at this love palace. Yeah, it won't get used, however, it's right on my street. Nice big shower, better be powerful. Smells good. Look at this. Woohoo! The safe, which is needed, we know that. And then my TV room. This is what I'm waking up to. What do you want to say?
Shout out to all your viewers.
Yes. Get down here.
Port Barton.
Get to the beach. This is such a nice beach. Really nice. Super clean. A few locals. Lots of tourists. These waves are getting higher and higher. There's even a swing. Yeah, so it's 4:15 here. It looks like high tide's coming in. A lot of people are getting wiped out, laying on the beach with the towels. Well, this is a really nice beach. I'm just going to take a walk along, see what's about. Unfortunately, the sun's not out today. Hopefully later or tomorrow. And definitely, let's hope for a good sunset. This place is beautiful. Unfortunately, it looks like these places behind me didn't survive the typhoon. This is exactly what I need. Massage. Everyone's on it. Massage booked. It is the orgy of massages. I think there's about 12 beds in there, all next to each other. This is why there's a lot of dogs around here. Wolfie. Good morning. Now we are on our way to Pamuayan Falls. Let's see how easy it is to get there. Famous last words. Here we are at the centre of Port Barton and we're going to head to this waterfall. Let's see how easy it is. So now we're off the concrete and we're onto this stone road. Lasts for about 7-8 minutes until you get to the car park for the waterfall. This is where the good road meets the bad road. I don't think the JCB will be there if any of you guys come here, but this is where you see it. You go right, follow the road all the way to the waterfall. Let's go and find some waterfalls. Good solid bridge there. Very confident about going across this. Not for the faint-hearted. Oh, yeah. We're good. This is one of them times where you think you should have put mosquito. Taken 20 minutes to drive from Port Barton. Over here the roads are 90% good and then it gets really ragged and then you just come down, park up, and then how long does it take to walk? 15 minutes from here? Okay, 15 minutes from here. Let's see, I've just got to register. I paid 100, £1.50. If you've got more, give more. You are literally in the middle of a forest here. From the middle of Port Barton, if you're on a scooter or if you're driving, then it's about 20 minutes to get to a parking area for the waterfalls. 90% of the road is good, and then as is standard around these parts, it just drops off and it's a bit of a bumpy ride for about 5-6 minutes max. Park up and then you take the walk. Have people, so I know I'm going the right way.
Hello.
Hey.
What's your name?
How are you?
You like soft drinks, sir?
I'm okay, thank you, for now. I might get one soon. Never want to miss a business opportunity. Justin, the man. There it is. As promised, it was a 15-minute walk. There it is. This is my boy Justin. looking after any drinks or crisps you need while you're at the waterfall. Look after him, my man. The big snakes. Okay, so just been to the waterfall. Cool little hangout. Really nice place. Pretty quiet, but the weather's off today. It keeps raining on and off, so I don't know how much of an influence that has to do. Probably a lot, because also the boats are cancelled today because there's meant to be a storm down in the south of the island which is coming up here, and there's already been one boat today capsized, so maybe that's got an influence to do it. But either way, nice and easy to get here and then chill out. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we can keep doing this. My time is up at Port Barton. It's been a great time, I must admit. I've chilled out, beautiful beach, beautiful seafood, and now this guy is taking me back. Cheers, John. So I'm just going to a bus station, about 2-3 minutes away. It is walking distance, but my bags are heavy. It's 50 pesos.
Where are you from?
England. So this is it. Signing off from Port Barton, about to get the bus to El Nido. Let's go! The bag diaries, 101. Will they all fit? What do you think, David?
His Tetris skills are pretty good.
Yeah. This is not tight in here.
What's from Chicken Saira? 18 Saira. 2 person? Yes.
I think you can fit someone else in there.
Get someone on my lap.